Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's shopping episode, I'm so excited because this is the part 2 and we are going back at Coach. Finally, I've made my big decision and I'm so excited to get the bag of my dreams. So hope you enjoyed today's shopping episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at @RomeroFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, you may be asking why I am wearing sunnies while filming our episode for today. Unfortunately, this has been ongoing for a couple of weeks now. I have an eye infection. I have a scheduled appointment with the doctor. Hopefully, it would get really fixed really soon, because if not, you are going to see me a lot on our episode that I'm wearing sunnies. But still, the show must go on. So hopefully, guys, you enjoy our episode for today.
Hi guys, so we have already arrived here at Glorietta, so let's check what we could find out. So firstly guys, we are going to Coach and see if the bag that I've reserved is still there. Cross your fingers. I have here Yen. Alright, let's have some fun today and enjoy beautiful eye candies here at Coach in Glorietta, Makati. So excited to show you guys what they currently have at the end of season sale. So here I am trying my baby Coach Tabby 20. Super gorgeous, comparing it to my Chanel single flap bag over here. Here I am trying out this very beautiful Coach bag. Honestly, I kind of forgot the name of this bag, but guys, just take a look at the braided or the leather chain strap. So gorgeous and really unique. Let's take a closer look at this very beautiful bag. Price is 58,500. So it's made of 100% genuine leather, including the chain strap, guys. So gorgeous. And also look at the quilting. So beautiful. Here is another beautiful Coach bag, price at 33,000. Just look at the detail of this bag. What I specifically love about this gorgeous bag is the top chain. Look at it, so gorgeous. So we have here bags for the end of season sale. We have here Madison bags. We have Swinger bags. So now I am trying one of the Pillow Madison that's part of the sale. As you can see here, it's reduced down to 28,125 Philippine pesos. Look at this very beautiful Pillow Madison, guys. Again, this is very comparable to the Chanel 19 bag in my opinion. So it's quilted, very soft and very beautiful. So you could wear it two ways. You could double up the chain or you could wear it as a crossbody like what I'm doing it right now. So gorgeous. So let's try to open the flap. As you can see here, there is like a double flap thing, and this one also has, guys, a very huge back pocket at the back. So let's check more of the bag from Coach. So price at 25K, again with the pillow quilting over here. So checking out this beautiful Swinger bags. Again, guys, look at the chain details. So gorgeous, guys. It's like Coach is really stepping up their game with their very beautiful bags. So gorgeous, right? How about this very beautiful Coach tote bag in their monogram? I wouldn't mind carrying this for work. So gorgeous. We have here Soft Tabby 26. Guys, look at the snake skin detail. I can't remember if this is genuine snake skin or just mock snake skin. But anyway, guys, the genuine leather is colored chalk, if I'm not mistaken. Really gorgeous detail. So So now let us check more beautiful eye candies here. So as you can see here, we have another beautiful tabby, 26 bags. We have here soft tabbies here. Anyone guys fan of soft tabbies or the pillow tabbies or the regular tabbies? Me, personally, I love pillow tabbies first, then I want the regular Coach tabby, then maybe the soft tabby. So we have here more bags and eye candies for you. Just look at these colors, guys. So gorgeous. How about this beautiful swinger bag? It's so rare. This reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Yaye Kusama print. The cherry design is so gorgeous. So we have here beautiful Coach bucket bag. Love that it comes with two straps. So we have a top handle and it has a thick guitar strap that you could wear as a crossbody. Love that also in Coach monogram. And guys, just look at the design and print of this one. So cute. Alright, so just showing you some more beautiful eye candies from Coach. Look at these. These are so gorgeous. So mock croc, very gorgeous detail. Reminds me of the Celine box bag. Really beautiful details. So let's see what they have in store for us. So we have here beautiful wallet on chain. We have camera back here. So again, the walk. Some more Coach eye candies for you guys. I'm really in love with the Coach logo. How about you guys? So we have here Coach Madison in the denim material. Love that one. We have here the swinger bags. More swinger bags for you. Again, bravo to Coach for designing very beautiful bags. Just look at the details, guys. So this bag comes with already with the top handle and it comes with the leather chain strap. So gorgeous. So we have here the Tabby 26, priced at 30,500 pesos. I believe color is chalk. Again, comparing it to my Chanel single flap bag, they're almost of the same size. Beautiful bag. Wish to have this bag on my collection really soon. Here she is. What a beauty, right? So we have Coach Tabby top handle 20 over here. Yay! So a little birthday present from me to me. I'm so excited that I was able to finally get a hand on my very first Coach bag. Yay! Can't believe it, I'm adding this beauty to my collection. I feel so very lucky in having my very first Coach bag. Guys, so we have our first damage.
There, hope you enjoyed our episode for today. So I'm sure everyone knows what I got from Coach and I'm just so excited that I went back for this very beautiful bag. I will be doing an unboxing really soon, so please stay tuned for that one. So among the selection, guys, that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite? Please do let me know and comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52. for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!